Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. Gonna have kind of a groggy shave. Had a rough day. Can't really sleep tonight, so we're gonna get a shave in. We're gonna use a sample, because samples, I'm like, you know what? I got a few, we need to use them. So we are using a Black Orchid by WSP. The camera's in a different spot. I had to switch something, so until I put the other one on. Sorry, I'm going to be looking at the wrong side because the lens is there, not here. So, anyways, Black Orchid, WSP. Don't know what base this is. I do believe this is a dupe of Tom Ford Black Orchid. Could be wrong. Probably wrong. We'll just go with that. But anyways, guys, Black Orchid, nice scent, kind of floral. Not dark, but nice, really interesting scent. Don't have matching splash, but Lord Shady sent me that sample of Black Orchid, so we are using it. Sorry guys, we're gonna have to, the camera's gonna be different. Using the TRC, I think this is an AKA made it to be branded for the razor company with the AK-47. I don't know, whatever the synthetic badger knot is that's in there. It's a great little knot. Like it. It's very similar to Badger. Excuse me. It's very similar to Badger, but it's still synthetic. Like it's like the best of both worlds. It's probably one of, it's up there with one of my favorite. I mean, I still like my cashmere, but this, like, it picks up soap really well. Like, it's stiff enough. It's just, it's really good all the way around. I do love this handle, guys. Like, it's pretty. I tried to go a little matchy-matchy. We're gonna use this Henson I used in a live shave to shave the head. I don't remember what blade I have in here, but this is the second use with it. Henson, medium aggression. Oh, I just hit that scab. Should have put some lather up there like usual. Nice scent. I don't know if they still make it. I think it was like a seasonal release as is. If I can find any information on it, like what base it might be in or scent notes, I'll put it up now. Neck's a little stiff today. Nice shave though. I've only used WSP like 2 or 3 times. So this is nice. I almost want to say this is a vegan formula. Just by the way it reacted in the bowl when I put a little amount of water. Like a generous amount, but not like too much to make this happen with like a tallow. But it immediately went like ballooned up. That's my experience with vegan soaps. Older vegan soaps, shall I say. I don't know if WSP's been changing their formula. Oh, see? Lather's not hydrated well enough. I ran that pretty well under the faucet and it's still stuck. It's just how it is sometimes. So we're going to add a little bit of water to this lather. It's still a great scent, pretty strong. I enjoy it. We did hit that scab. I don't know what that was from. I don't think I nicked myself shaving up there anytime. I guess we could go back and look at videos and see. Or if I just scratched something in my sleep. I'm bad at scratching things. In my sleep. You should see my back sometimes, like I guess I had an itch. And it'll be all clawed up. It's got a good face feel. It does seem to, I wouldn't say dissipate necessarily, but thin out a little after I painted on it. It looks pretty thick. There we go. Do like the Henson. Probably won't use this one too much more. At some point I'll end up buying me a Henson. Oh, people. So if you haven't seen, I do have an affiliate with TRC now. If I use TRC links, they will be affiliate links. It will be marked in the description. Or if you just, when you're checking out, want to use MTB in the code, and it works the same as affiliate and gives me a percentage. It does help out the channel, get me some new items to showcase, for lack of a better term. You know, we're going to say showcase. Get a decent shave, little over shaving. Be okay, we'll be all right, not a big deal. But yeah, I'll probably put this away and I'll look at buying another Henson. They don't make this color anymore, and my daughter really wants this color. She may change her mind in years. Who knows? May want something totally different when it comes time. But for now, sweetie, if you ever watch old videos, I'm sorry for the ones I'm a fool in. But this one, your daddy is saving this for you. Like, it's going to get put away after this and not used. I'm going to put it in a box, set it on the shelf, and I will use the TRC aluminum safety razor instead of this one until I buy another Henson. There's no need for it. And the carve, what I want from them, so I want the Overlander, but I want it like the American Canadian series, but I want it to look like my Rockwell. We'll make it super easy to explain. So I want the Overlander like this, blue, red, blue, and then that little Knopf thing. I want that red. And that would be the bomb. If I could get that, I think I'm sold. Even if I have to like custom order it and him tell me it'll take like 3 months to get, when I get the money, that's where we're gonna be. That's what I want. And I will use that SOB like so much, because I've heard from some people even comment in some lives that they think I would like the Overlander. And you know what? I think they may be right. Alright guys, y'all know the drill. We're gonna rinse up and we'll be right back. Alright everybody, we are back. I don't want a lasting scent. I'm gonna have to be up in a few hours, and when I drag my sorry ass out of bed, I don't want anything interfering with whatever fragrance I decide to use. So this is the SoCo, I don't know, Hazelet's Apothecary. I'll put it up at the bottom, whatever the name of it is. Oop, we poured too much on the hand. Oh well. May not even put that in the shave of the day, but it's not a strong scent. It's a citrus. It's pretty much a witch hazel. Aftershave splash. Has like, oops, has a little cork. I don't know if this scent's still available. I like it fine. It actually doesn't smell like witch hazel when you put it on, and that's like my issue with witch hazel splashes. Like, I smell more witch hazel than I do whatever scent is in there, or it's definitely interfering with the scent. I don't get that from this, but it doesn't have the burn. We all know I like the burn. But it works. Like, you get to put an aftershave product on. Scent doesn't last. It's not going to interfere with whatever else I put on, and that's okay. You don't always have to have a banging scent. I do believe this is AKA Brushworks, branded for the razor company. Really sweet little brush. Like, Jason has some awesome brushes that he has artisans make, and you got Badger, you got synthetic. I'm not trying to shill for the razor company. I've felt this way for a while. I don't buy new brushes, but I did buy a couple of new brushes when I was like on a freezing buy, and they were both from the razor company, because like with knots, Really not a bad price, guys, and you're going to get free shipping because I think most of the brushes are right there at that threshold to where you're, or over. I don't know what Jason's free shipping is anymore. But like even if it's 20, like then you're definitely getting free shipping. But it's just, it's a good bang for the buck. In a previous video I was talking about if you're a noob, it pays off to like go to the razor company or somebody like that and get a decent synthetic brush on the cheap if that's what you want. And there you go. That's it. I mean, this isn't cheap, but it's inexpensive enough, in my opinion, for like an artisan made handle, not mass produced. Like this is a great affordable price. It's already knotted. You can pick up soaps, you can pick up blades. Like I ain't gonna say no more, people. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But WSP Black Orchid, good stuff. I actually enjoyed it. Scent was pretty amazing. And the Henson Medium Aggression. Alright guys, I'm going to try to get to sleep. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, greatly appreciate it. And consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed. Believe it or not, a lot of my views are not from subscribers. So I hope you'll have a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys later.